The wait is over because Cricut has launched not one, but two brand new machines, the Cricut Maker 4 and the Cricut Explore 4. Now, I was lucky enough to get my hands on a Cricut Maker early, and today I'm giving you an exclusive first look. A big shout out to Cricut for sponsoring this video and sending me this machine to review. If you thought the Maker 3 was impressive, you are going to love this new machine. In today's video, we're going to unbox it and then highlight its new features and compare it to the Maker 3. Plus, I'm going to share some of my insider tips to help you decide if upgrading is worth it. Let's get started unboxing. Cricut has seriously upped their game by including more materials than ever so that you can start creating immediately after you unbox your machine. So here's what's inside. You have your Cricut Maker 4 smart cutting machine, a premium fine point blade, which is going to come pre-installed, a light grip mat, a fine point tip pen, a power adapter, an accessory adapter, and a USB cable. You'll also have an expanded selection of smart materials, including smart vinyl, cardstock, smart iron-on, and transfer tape. That's everything that you need to complete up to 10 projects. That's right, Cricut is now providing a generous range of materials so that you can experiment with different projects, from t-shirts all the way to home decor, straight out of the box. I love that they included this new update so that you can really just immediately dive in and start creating projects. So what's new with the Maker 4? The Maker 4 features 2 times faster cutting speeds than the Maker 3. Now both the Maker 4 and the Explore 4 are going to be able to cut 10 inches per second with materials placed on a mat or with smart materials. Now let's talk about my absolute favorite features that make the Cricut Maker 4 a total game changer for crafters who are looking to elevate their creativity. This smart cutting machine is engineered for ultimate accuracy. It's able to cut over 300 materials with up to 2 times the speed of the Maker 3. So whether you are working with vinyl, cardstock, iron-on, or even fabric and balsa wood, this machine is going to deliver perfect cuts every time. With the Maker 4, you can create projects up to 12 inches by 24 inches if you're using a mat, or with smart materials, you could cut all the way up to 12 feet long. Now, that means no more slicing apart long cuts in design space and then having to piece them back together, which means banners, large wall decals, and bulk projects are so much easier to create. The Cricut Maker 4 features a built-in sensor for print then cut. The built-in sensor is going to scan and then precision cut your inkjet printed images, which allows you to create full color stickers, labels, gift tags, party decor, and so much more. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, you know what a big sticker fan I am, and this machine is great for creating them. I could not make it through a birthday party without pulling out my Cricut machine and adding in some handmade, personalized decor. So whether you want some detailed illustrations, maybe it's custom calligraphy, or even score lines for perfect 3D projects, this Maker 4 can handle it all. The built-in tools make embellishing your craft seamless because it's going to allow you to write, draw, foil, and score. With 13 compatible tools, this machine really does it all. You could engrave on metal, you could deboss leather, you could even cut wood. This is going to expand your creative possibilities to levels that you never even imagined. Now let's chat through a few of the questions that I hear the most often when it comes to Cricut machines, and especially the new ones that just launched. So first off, how much are these new machines going to cost? The Cricut Explore 4 in the color Seashell is going to retail at $249.99. The Cricut Explore 4 in Sage is going to retail for $299.99, and this bundle is going to include smart materials, which gives you more options to create those projects right away. Keep in mind, this color and bundle is going to be an exclusive Michaels launch. The Cricut Maker 4 in Seashell, this color here, will retail for $399.99, and then the Cricut Maker 4 in Sage with the Essentials bundle is going to be another Michaels exclusive, and that's $449.99. And that bundle is going to be jam-packed with extra materials like smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and transfer tape. That way you can just start crafting immediately without any additional purchases. Now, if you want that sage color, remember it's only available as part of the Essentials bundle from Michaels. That means you're not just getting ascending color, but you're also going to be getting a bonus selection of materials, which really makes it an even better value for crafters who want to start creating right out of the box. Next up is setup easy. I hear this question every single day. Absolutely. Cricut has really simplified the onboarding process, especially with this new machine launch. So all you need to do is visit cricut.com/setup and you will be taken step by step through the setup process so that you're ready to craft in no time at all. You don't need to be a tech genius to use a Cricut. The next question, can I use it offline? Yes, you can design offline on desktop or iOS. However, Android support is still pending. What are smart materials? Smart materials from Cricut are specially designed crafting materials that work without needing a cutting mat, which makes them incredibly convenient for those quick and efficient projects. Now, these materials come in various types. They have smart vinyl, smart iron-on, and even smart paper sticker cardstock. They are all compatible with Cricut machines like the Cricut Explore 3 and the Cricut Maker 3, as well as the Maker 4 and Explore 4. Because they feed directly into the machine, they allow for those longer cuts, which could be up to 12 feet, without needing to reload. Smart materials are perfect for creating decals, custom apparel, labels, and more, which makes that crafting so much faster and easier without having to sacrifice on that precision. Now that we've answered all of your questions, are you ready for a little speed test? Let's see how our Maker 4 stacks up against the Maker 3. I've set up both of these machines with the same exact image and material. So let's go ahead and start cutting. That way you can see in real time just how much faster our new machine really is. So is the Cricut Maker 4 worth it? If you already have the original Maker or even the Maker 3 and you are debating an upgrade, it's really important to consider how much you value having the matless cutting as well as twice the speed. These upgrades can be big game changers, but whether they're worth it depends on your specific crafting needs. Now, if you're looking for a brand new machine, the Cricut Maker 4 is a fantastic choice. It's the top of the line, it offers the fastest speeds, and it has the widest compatibility with different materials. It features 13 compatible tools, it can cut 300 plus materials, and it comes in at a really great price point. If you're interested in purchasing a machine, be sure to shop the links I've listed below in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sweet Red Poppy, for more crafting and Cricut inspo. Thanks so much for watching.